Hello. From one stupid project to another, right? uh, yep. So, I wanted to make a mod for this game that everyone is not talking about anymore, I guess, but oh well. I'm as slow as my brains are. So, I really wanted to make a mod for the Friday Night Funkin game. But problem arose. I kind of want to add a bunch of mad shit there, like 2-player co-op and some, make it cutscene heavy, add some, I don't know, fucking multiplayer or something. you know, the shit that I would never be able to do if I keep myself at the level of intelligence I am. But I thought like, here goes nothing. It can't be that hard to code a fucking rhythm game. I mean, this was on Game Jam, which means the first version, the core engine, was made in like, I think they give you like 48 hours for this, right? Right. So anyways, I thought like, well, if the mods are distributed as standalone packages anyways, since there is no mod support that is official yet in the game, I was like, well, if I recode the game completely, not like Cade Engine who like changed the code, nah. We're like remaking this shit from scratch. Well, almost. We're using the sprites from that because I can't be bothered, and this will. Yeah, I have one big question with this. Does this even qualify as a mod? I don't fucking know. But anyways, I'm remaking this garbage from scratch, and I've spent the last 4 days figuring out how to make a fucking metronome in Unity. A metronome in Unity is apparently a hard as fuck task to do. Can I believe that shit? I couldn't either. Ah, jeez. Anyways, this is what I got so far. So far, I got the animation and the metronome, which I just finished before starting the stream. I really wanted to sit around on stream and fiddle around with it, but it would have been just embarrassing, and no, that's not the reason. The reason is I just I just couldn't wait any longer. I was like, fuck, so many solutions. Like, I tried using a coroutine and, measure up the seconds using the BPM and BPS, like beats per second, beats per minute, and like make an interval, and then this interval like increase the counter or some shit. And I ended up with a mess that syncs for like 2 sections and then just goes off for no fucking reason. I was losing my shit over this. Like, why can't you even have your time consistent? Like, if it's a coroutine, they are frame independent, as far as I know, as far as I've read. So, whatever the fuck could be causing that? So instead of looking for methods to do, a time loop, because apparently it isn't precise enough, and like in this case, the rate is pretty high. Like, you've seen how fast the notes could be, and this basically means that any single inconsistency, any any little throw off in the timing, like a few milliseconds, they just stack up on top of each other. Like, it might be it might be like the doubles or the floats being not precise enough, which is kind of bullshit. It shouldn't be a thing. I don't think it is a thing, but guess what? So yeah, I just typed in how to make a metronome in Unity, and yep, this is basically all I needed to do. I just needed to create an audio filter read event listener, and it would just be automatically synced up with the audio. Just, sample rate and data length and just basic stuff. This is fucking embarrassing. I mean, look at this shit that I was trying to do. Audio source, yes. Let's get the section BPM next while it's less than length of the notes. I want you to wait, where's the weight actually? 1 divided by seconds per beat, or BPM in seconds, whatever the fuck this is, I don't even remember. Ugh. And this was supposed to be like a metronome. That shit goes to the trash bin. Here we go. So basically so far. Oh wait, I'm in studio mode. Fuck me. There we go. Yeah, this is the shit I was talking about. This was the simple solution that I found. And this is embarrassing, I didn't think of that. Well, I mean, I don't know Unity that well to know of all these event listeners. Although it's useful, and I can like press Ctrl-Shift-M to invoke like, and it like all the rhythm does. Fuck. Although there isn't an on audio, right? Audio. Sorry. So I guess I ain't that stupid. Or maybe it excluded it because I already have it. Whatever. Anyways. Yeah. This was my old shit. It's all like commented out. I was like dividing BPMs and stuff, dividing by 16. This part I was thinking of myself, and just to confirm, I even read the source code for the game. But anyways, there's this now, which is kind of sick, and it even has this thing, which is the what? Yeah. It even has this thing on the boop on here, which is like behind me. Oop. Yeah, it has like the time signatures, which is essential because I want to try to experiment with some music, and that basically means that I might just have. Oh, my voice cracked. I might just have something that is like 3/4, like some bolts or shit. And this could come in pretty handy. Yuck. So basically, yeah, all I've got right now is a test song. And fuck, this is loud. Yeah, basically that. Just the animations and arrows lighting up. Learned how to work with sprites, huh? Yeah. What I'm doing today is coding this garbage. So, yeah. What I'm coding right now is changing of the sections. Before I just used I tried it by just multiplying the samples per tick by 16, and that worked like exactly how it needed to, but I also need this to be triggered. I need this to be triggered every time. I need this to be triggered basically every time I need to spawn in a node, right? Or if I need to click on a node. I didn't settle on that yet, but I think no. I think to spawn a node, which might be dumb now that I'm thinking about it. Fuck. Or no. Alright, anyways. What I have here, I'm multiplying it just by 4. Since it's pretty fast. Like, on every single tick. Just. And for now, I don't need that. But I'm checking if the current node is equal or more than 16. Ooh, I guess I forgot to do the thing where I say current node equals 1. Huh. Alright. Alright, let's see how this works out. What the hell is that sound message? I have no idea, but alright, I'm looking at the bottom part of the screen where it says, I can barely see it, where it says section, the debug basically. Did they change it? Alrighty then, I guess I didn't need to multiply it by 4, huh? Because it's literally just 4 places off. Alright, let's try this again. Ugh. Whoever will try to watch it will hear the improbable outset so many fucking times. And by that I mean just the beginning of it. Since the implementation of chart reading, like the parsing of actual game charts from the original game, proved to be pretty hard. And not because they are bad structurally, they are quite nice. My face is all over the place. Anyway, basically, they have two-dimensional arrays that store nodes. As a matter of fact, Unity, the dumb fucking piece of shit it is, does not support that. Can you imagine? Unity does not support two-dimensional arrays. Which means we will need to code, I'm guessing a chart converter of sorts. I don't fucking know. Because, like, I was coding in Golang for a while now, and it can parse, like, those two-dimensional arrays pretty easily. I don't fucking know what's the problem with Unity. Or maybe we can import some kind of library for JSON parsing that actually supports multi-dimensional arrays. I just don't want to pull any, like, external DLLs. Any external DLLs that are not, like, in the Unity engine. Because, you know, I don't like bloatware. I don't like bloatware, okay? Alright, enough rambling. Let's try this without multiplication by 4. Should be fine, but I'm stupid. We'll see what it does. Yep, seems right. It's a little early than I thought it would be. It's a little earlier. Does this mean that I need... Oh, wait. Does this mean that I need to set the current node to 0, not 1? Let's try this. Because it's like... It's not 2 times off, it's just... like 1 or 2 nodes. Or 4 nodes. What? Let's try this. When the rider begins, there's supposed to be like a sector change. Woo! Second try, just to make this fucking counter. I am brain damaged. I am brain damaged. Holy shit. Alright, so we got this section change. Nice. This should be pretty synced up with the notes. Sorry, brain fart. Brain fart. I have a lot of those. Actually, not brain fart. It's my brain actually just shedding itself, just having a projectile diarrhea inside my head. I think that's a disease. I think it's called being a fucking moron with deep depression. Yeah, sorry, I'm drinking. Just refreshment. Ooh, alright. Now what we're gonna do? I'm guessing. Just for the sake of the test, we could make it just randomly generate random charts. Would that make sense? Like just randomly spawn nodes so that we can work out the collision detection and all that? I think that's a decent idea. Alright, let's try this. If current node... Oh wait. Let's do this let's do this after the, you know. If current node more equal to 4, let's do it on fourths. If current node equal or more to fourth, then we spawn node. Alright, spawning the node. Now, how the hell do we do that? Let's see. I've never made a single game in Unity before. I worked with Unity to make like VR chat avatars and shit. But other than that, nah. Also, this fighting Unity Chan, kinda crap. Not gonna lie. At least for me. Download the default Unity Chan. She's a lovely one. Almost said guy. Ah, shit. Alright, here we go. So, what do we have here? We have two canvases, which are just vibing. And they have these notes. And I did them all separately, since this is apparently a good thing to do. So that we can detect, instead of doing what they did in the old versions of the game, like before week 7, where they would have just one gigantic collider on top of the arrows and just have it expect a value. Also, where's my cursor? Is there my cursor? I think there is my cursor. So yeah, instead of just making this, we might just do it the right way that they actually implemented in week 7, which is Newgrounds exclusive, but I didn't give a fuck because I already downloaded a bunch of assets to make the remix, which you can check out on my YouTube channel, which is Crying Surrogate. And also, you can watch my VODs and even a couple of stream clips on my channel, Crying Surrogate Live. Why am I even plugging this? Nobody's gonna see this. Nobody gives a shit. But I mean, you could if you want to. Also, I'm gonna play this remix of mine right now. Just to up the vibe a bit, I guess. Meh. Let's see this bitch. Think this is the one? Yeah. All right. Oh, it's pretty loud. All right. So I have these canvases. I want to tag them also, but I don't know about that. What I want to do is I want to spawn sprites in here and make them move in a constant velocity. What do I need for that? For that I need a prefab of a note, I would guess, and then I would spawn like instances of it. Right? Is that how it works? I hope that's how it works. And then I could put colliders on these, which I will do right about now. Alright, so this is for the player part. So that we can control it and you know the drip. Alright. What do we need? We need a sprite. No, we need the collider. Box collider 2D.
God, what the hell was that? What the hell was that?
It is in fact a trigger, and I hope we don't need to edit the collider. You should be pretty okay with creating colliders. Are you? Where the fuck is my collider? Like, shouldn't it be just... Oh, wait. I am a fucking moron. I need to look at this in Unity. Alright, how the fuck do I switch to the camera view? Hello? Oh, just another instance of me being fucking stupid. Help! Help, help. Ah! Why? 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 Window. No. File. Edit assets. Fuck. Align view to selected? Yeah, that seems okay. And where the hell is my UI? Miscellaneous sprite mask. UV charts. Show me my fucking things. Show me my fucking UI. That's
Open for
horrifying.
business.
Hey, you scared the crap out of me. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. Yeah. Oh my god! Is that how Unity's supposed to work? Wait. That's wow. Alright, I get it. But now, how the hell do I edit this collider if I even need to? Oh. You are not. No. Oh god. I guess. Is this edge radius? What is this? Oh, it's the thing. I mean, okay. What's even the size of this? 10? Wow, that's just that's just tiny. Oh wait, image size. 153 by 157. Let's try this. 157 by 153. No. That's not how it's working. Let's see. Maybe this is the answer. Oh, 200 by 200, huh? 200 by 200. Of course. Of course it's 200 by 200. Alright, let's just copy the component and go through. Actually, we can just add component. No. The hell? Base component is new. There we go. Now they all should have that. Hell yeah. Triggers. Have them all or have them none. Okay. Now they have that. We need a prefab for a node. So what I'm guessing is, do we have to have it on scene? I don't know. Let's create a 2D object on the canvas. Square. Note. Or should I instead create a note prefab for each of these? It's like it's more mess, but it's less coding. I have no idea, but whatever. All right. What the hell are you rendering? A square. Where the fuck is the square? What I need to know though, I need to see, I need to give it an order of 1 so that it'll be on top of these. And I need to give it a scale of 100, I guess. Oh, fuck. 100 and 100. Yeah, there we go. And now we can just change it to a note. And I didn't change it. Oh, god fucking damn it. Yeah, because those are all... what are these though? Those are all like the active states for the UI. I'm guessing we can use them as debug. Meh, whatever. Which one is this? Oh, I have an idea. Let's just make it the one that glows less. And then set the position. Alright, so this is a player node. That means the anchor should be the bottom right. Alright, and then let's just copy the position of X. Dun, 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 dun. And now it should be perfectly aligned. Oh, god damn it. Of course. I can't just change one number, can I? Oof. Damn. Alright, so now we have a note. Should we have a collider on it too for that collider to work? Let's see, what do we even have in terms of 2D physics? We have colliders, area effectors, rigid body. That's kind of neat. Surface effector, spring joint, slider joint. Ooh, bouncing nodes. Can already see that. But no, I'm guessing you don't need a collider. Maybe you need a rigid body. Oh, yeah, you need the rigid body though. Dynamic, kinematic, static. It's not simulated. Yeah, because we're using colliders just as triggers, right? Yeah, that's how it works, right? All right, let's make it a material because maybe it needs it. I don't fucking know. Actually, no, I don't think it will. All right. Save this and let's actually move this here and give it some kind of variable that would defer, I guess. Maybe just add a script. How do you even give properties to? Huh. Interesting. Alright. I'm guessing I create a script. New script. Node. Moves. Bruh. Note. It's a note and it moves. I mean, that's only fair. I'm guessing if I double click this, it will open a second window of Visual Studio. Please don't do that. Oh, fuck you. I'm using Unity 2020. Why is it so hard to make it more usable with the editors? God. Alright, alright. I'm guessing it changed that. Give me 1 sec. Oof. My mouse is starting to freak out. Jeez. Alright, there we go. Should work now. Alright. So we have a window that's not responding because it wants me to know if I like the Visual Studio. So do you have a virus? Alright, so first let's give the node properties. Let's give it a property of public bool enemy. Or should I say AI? Or maybe I can call it player. Yeah, let's call it player. That way we can give it. Oh wait, that's not a boolean, that's an integer, you stupid. This way we can have this one thing being able to respond to multiple players, because in my head you could have up to 4 players on one song, because I decided that it should be a thing. And my word is the thing, I guess. And number 0 would be an AI, which means it doesn't react to any key presses or anything like that. Alright, so we have player, then we get public int node, I guess in direction, and maybe we give it a duration. Oh wait, sorry, public int duration, because what I'm thinking is if we call this one, let's give it a default value of 02. What I'm guessing is we can spawn this using a script, and when we spawn it, we can actually give it like a duration, and it will spawn itself a bunch of like sprite renderers as a trail corresponding to the length, the duration. Duration. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. But for now, alright. This is not void start. This is void awake. So I want this to be called when the node is spawned. Alright. Void awake. So what do we want? I'm guessing. If we make too many if statements, it could slow it down somewhat. Like somewhat. I don't think it's significant, but since rhythm gamers are sensitive to timings, let's do this in a way of private. What is that? Map. Fuck. I forgot how to do maps. How the fuck do I do maps? Help. Ah, there we go. Wait, this is not a map. This is something strange. It's a switch statement. Wait, there are no maps? Did I ditch that old script? Oh, it's called dictionary. I'm a dumbass. I am actually a dumbass. Okay. Um, private dictionary. I'm just used to Golang, which has it as maps, and they're more easy to initialize actually. All right, private dictionary. We have our dictionary of integers, and we would have another integer. What's that? So, oh wait, I forgot to call it something. Xcord. There we go. And then we have a private int. Actually, no, let's not store it. Let's just do it the normal way. All right, private dictionary int. What it should do is it should be initialized first. So let's do the xcord equals new dictionary int. Empty. There we go. All right, now that we initialized it, I've spent like one day before trying to make the UI nodes to work with the dictionary. And guess what? I forgot to initialize it. That was a fucking nightmare. All right, so xcord. Oh, why do we have this as a dictionary? That's because we want to store the x coordinates of the corresponding nodes depending on their direction. So if we go back to Unity, we have these fellas. Yep, it's compiling scripts apparently. We have all these fellas at the bottom, and they have their own like x coordinates. And ideally, we would want the node to move, like to jump to the corresponding direction node. So that means we give it basically just an x coordinate, a fixed x coordinate, since they're just moving up and down. Yeah, what could be easier? All right, x chord. So direction. Let's just do the directions in the normal way, which is 1, 4 left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0 would be I don't fucking know. Maybe we can actually just make the node trails to be nodes themselves, same instance. That would be pretty optimized, I hope. Let's. What are you? All right, so let's copy the coordinates. If it's a left node, then position x should be. Oh, I'm switching. I'm alt tabbing. Then it should be x chord 1 equals this. X chord 2 equals. Oh, they're basically just 200 apart, so what the hell. Minus 520. I'll double check it. I will not, because I will forget instantly. 3. Ah, fuck, that's the wrong button. Equals minus 320. This doesn't seem right. X chord 4 equals minus 120. All right. We've given them the values. Now let's move the node itself. So game object dot transform dot position. It's world space, right? Should be world space. It seems like world space. Ah, fuck. Do you know if the sprites use the world space or local space? Alright, if they're 2D, do you like consider canvas space? Which it is. It's canvas space. Is it local or world? Huh. Wait. Wait. Oh, that's hard. Rect transform. Maybe it's another type of transform. Rect. No. Transform dot. I mean, I ain't losing nothing. So let's just try it. Game object dot transform that position dot x equals x chord with the key of direction. Ha. Wait, what? Oh, it's not a variable. Alright, little shit. I'm guessing we need to set active to string, try get component. Fuck. Alright, transform. Maybe set position? No. How the fuck do you move stuff? How the fuck do you move stuff? Transform direction from local space to world space. No, I do not want to do that. I want to set position. Set position and rotation, huh? I don't want to change the rotation though. How the fuck do you even vector 3? Vector 3. It expects a vector 3 even though it's a 2D object. What the fuck? And it can't be used as a you fucking with me. Alright, fine. Vector 3 position equals new vector 3 with values what the fuck is that? Oh, that's my. I'm so sorry. Vector 3 with the value of x being the x chord map direction. Second value being somewhere on the fucking top. Yeah, we gotta mess with that quite a bit. Cause node spawning, oof, that will be one hell of a pain. That position rotation of pause and the rot. And the rot will be quaternion. What do you want from me? Quaternion. Quaternion. Oh, it works. Okay. Rot equals new quaternion with all zeros. Wait the heck. Oh, wait. There is no argument given that corresponds to the required formal parameter W. Ah, yeah, it's quaternion, so I need to give it a W. Fuck you, quaternion, dumb bitch. Alright, it's all supposed to be zeros, I guess. Right, so set position and rotation to the pause and rot. Oh, wait, what? X and Y. Well, I guess that works. Uh-huh. Gotcha. Now, what do you have now? Now we need to set the right sprite for it. Yeah, right sprite for it. Even probably before the transition thing. Alright, how the fuck do you set a sprite? Thinking game object dot get component of type sprite render fuck, do I set it right here? Get component sprite render, fuck it, I'm gonna sprite render. Nah, no. Changing my mind so fucking. Sprite. Alright, sprite. I need to set the sprite to a new sprite. And I need another map for that, which is kind of cool. Let's make it, let's call it, I don't know, S map. For direction. Alright, S map. Private dictionary from integer to a sprite, not a sprite renderer. Integer sprite, and we call it S map. All right. Oh, what this means though, this means we need to fill it up with sprites. The hell we do that? I did it right here, but I was let's say I wasn't too much of a thinker. Resources load all. I mean, I guess. Let's initialize it first, though. Oi. Oi. S map equals new dictionary int sprite. Now S map on the position of 1 is supposed to be resources load sprites dot sprite slash. So this is one sprite file that is supposed to have multiple sprites in it. How the fuck do I do that without doing this stupid shit? Because remember, this is a method for each node. So we have a shitload of nodes spawning. It will cause major problems. I don't want that. Is there a way to make like a registry or a library of sprites? There should be, right? There should be something like that. Or maybe I can add a script to the scene with mappings, I guess. Ooh, let me think about it. Oh god. Oh, god damn it. So each of these is a class, right? They're all public classes. Uh, so can I reference public fields from it from another script? Let's see. Can I just invoke sheet decoder in here? Sheet decoder dot what destroy equals destroy object instantiate, eh? Clones the object original and returns the clone. No, I do not want it right here. Wait, how do you even interact with the fields? Oh, this is tough. Can I reference parents? What the hell is happening to my stream manager? Oh, thank you so much. My thing disconnected even. You should be able to reference. Ah, is there such a thing as scene variables? I mean, there should be something, right? Something along the lines of. Why? Why? Game development is so hard. I am not. I'm definitely not. Let's see. Can I make a bunch of variables in here? What do we have here? Miscellaneous wind zone, articulation body, sprite mask, grid. Oh, grids. My friend was actually recently crying that Unity doesn't have grids. Like a grid for 2D. I told him it's dumb. Okay, I guess. The fuck is this? UI. Selectable event. No. Can I just add a bunch of playables? No. Canvas scaler? No. Tile map? No. Rendering video audio navigation? No. Maybe I could store it in some like just create something and make its XYZ values just to be no. God, no. Or I can be a not dumbass and just make 4 instances right off the bat. Just like duplicate this node a bunch of times. Just duplicate, 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 and bada beam bada boom. This node will be this minus plus 200. This one will be this plus, oh, this plus 200 plus 200. And this one will be this plus 200 plus 200 plus 200. There we go. And now we just change the sprites of it, and it should be fine. It should be all fine. So, boom. This should be the up node, actually. Wait, why is this 11? What? Oh, I see. So this is 11, this is 13, this is 12, and this would be 14. All right. This should work better and be less of a pain in the ass. All right, so this will be note 1, note 2, note 3, fuck, note 3, and note 4. All right. Now that score is settled. Now I should be able to just instantiate them separately. And that means that all this pain in the ass is now... Or is it? Let's just keep the coordinates. Let's just keep the coordinates. That's what I'm thinking. And sprite map, we just don't care. No fucking up with sprites because we just have this. Because like I am attaching the same script to them. That would be fucking that would be just rude if I was to create like a separate script for each node. That that would be just like Jesus Christ. Okay, so direction, yeah. Direction. I mean, who cares? We'll just give this value. I'll just give this value. Oh, actually, the position also depends on the player, though. So I'm guessing this is now a 3-dimensional dictionary with an integer, and an integer. Or you can't do that. Fuck, it can't do that. Suck my ass. You dumb piece of junk. I mean... Oh, what you can also do, though... Instead of using dictionary, just make it an array, I guess. Array list, because it's more poggers. Wait, what? Oh, this is just an array list now. Do I need to make it a new array list? What even put here? Collection or capacity? All right, I'm guessing we'll give it a capacity of 5 since it starts from 0. Yeah. Oh, wait. It's an array list. I can't make it three-dimensional. I mean two-dimensional. Sorry. I mean, I guess what that also implies that I can just initialize it with the values. Is that how you... No? Fuck, I always forget how to work with arrays. Right, so... Array initializers can only be used in a variable or field initializer. Fuck you, smartass. As you can see, I am quite shit at arrays in particular. Arrays are not my friends. Does C# not support multi-line initializers? What the fuck is that? There. 2. A single number. Are you happy? No, you are not. Why the hell are you not satisfied? You cunt. How the hell do you work with arrays? Can I give it length? Like, just have it be 4. Length of 4. And the length of... I mean, 5. And a length of 5? Right. You can't initialize jack shit without a new expression. Array... No... Int... Blah, blah, blah. Fuck. Int... Param. Is that how it works? Array creation... I mean, 5 by 5 sounds reasonable, right? No? Invalid rank specifier? What does that mean? What? What? I mean, I guess. We're just basically mapping the array score, direction, and player. Freestyler. Rock-a-microphone, pium. Yeah, straight from the top of my dome. As a rock a microphone. Do I put something? Do I put a song? I don't have any non-copyright songs, so I might just get the MC8. But I mean, it's kind of stale without it, to be completely honest with you. Whoa, what the hell does my song have to do with Twitch? My first song is not supposed to be on Twitch. They will ban me instantly. Explicit materials. Explicit materials. Whew, I am hot. Not in terms of attractive, but in terms of I'm just hot. Even though it's 4 a.m. for me, it's very fucking hot. So sorry if my brain is a bit slow. There we go. Ooh, let's do this. Oh, so the position is set, the sprite is set, all good. All right, now let's give it a velocity, I guess. And by that I mean, can we do this thing? Like game object dot set no transform dot set. No, you actually cannot. All right, then I guess it's game component rigid body, right? Game, wait, get component by the type of rigid body 2D. And in that component, we set, no. Oof. Add force, add torque, angular drag, angular velocity, center of mass. Fuck it, give me velocity. Oh, you can set velocity. Hell fucking yes. Velocity equals. Oh, actually, we need to only set the Y velocity. And it will be scroll speed. I'm guessing we just put some random shit in there. Wait, I can't do that? Ah, is this a variable? This one is. Alright. So I'm guessing vector 2 scroll equals new vector 2 with 0 and 1. And we just set it to scroll, and hopefully that will work. Let's see. The variable I is assigned, but the S value is never used. What? Where is that? Ah, here. Fuck you. So note moves.cs. The note should move. Let's just assign this. Note moves. Player 1, direction 1, and duration of 0. And these ones we just disable since we are... Actually, no. Let's not do that. Instead, let's set the player for them, number 1. And each individual is 2, is 3, and is 4. What I'm interested in is if the velocity would work as I want it to. Jesus. I set it to maximize on play, didn't I? Please. Ah, right. Does it have any errors? Object reference not set to an instance of an object on line 18. What's on the line 18? The fuck are you talking about? Note moves.cs, line 18. There is fucking nothing like that at line 18. Eh? I am so lost. Like, right, I should be. I should be able to just do things here, right? Or is it that I need to... No, that's not how this works. Fuck. What? Why? I wanted to have the length of 5 by 5. What the hell is this? Alright, I am a complete moron. Maybe. Why can't you support multi-dimensional dictionaries? Or can you? What if I make this a dictionary of types integer as the key, and then an array of integers right here? What do you say now? New dictionary. Did I just fool the system? Oh, right. Whew. And I will set the length of this to 5. Ah, for fuck's sake. Alright, let's see if this fixes the situation. Oh, I hadn't opened this VR Studio. Oh, god damn it. All the struggles, all for nothing. Oh my god. Yeah, this is basically what I was doing anyways. I was just being stupid and doing this. Yeah, just dictionary of integer arrays by integer. That's genius. I don't have to work out how fucking two-dimensional arrays work in C#. I fucking hate C#, believe it or not. Let's try this. The given key was not present in the dictionary. Eh? Which key? Which key is not present in this fucking dictionary? Players one direction is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're supposed to get in the scene the values of 1, 2, 3, 4. And the player is always 1. Oh my god. Do I need to create an array of a dictionary of dictionaries? I mean, that would work, I guess. Dictionary of integer by integer. I mean, if this works, this oh no. Oh, this is awful. Oh, this is disgusting. This is actually disgusting. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh. I mean, shit coding? Sign me in. Will this work without initializing the inside dictionary? Let's work it out. And nope, the given key was not, in fact, present in the dictionary. Oh, Jesus, I'm leaning back. Hey, wanna see my UI? Hey, yep. Alright. Enough. That's enough. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so I guess we do need to initialize. How's enough of Z though? I am concerned about the wrong thing. Oh, just cracking my neck. Sorry. Oh. There we go. Right. So we need to initialize the dictionary. That means that before initializing the values, we need to go x. Actually, let me just do this. Ballots. I didn't copy it. Right. Control W. Equals new dictionary. Oh wait, wrong thing. Dictionary. Dictionary. Int. I'm guessing that's what it wants us to do. Just initialize all the dictionaries in the dictionary. Control C. should work, right? Let's see if this works. Ah, I'm lost. Give me a second monitor. Or a food to eat. I actually have no food to eat. Almost. I have a couple of eggs, that's all. Oh! And they took off. Sheesh! They did take off. What if I... How do I not switch into here every time I... Ah! Yeah, fuck it. Also mute on. Actually, if I do this, will it just open a new window every time? It sure will. And it's also picked a free aspect. And it scares me. Because apparently this doesn't scale anymore. And that is concerning me. Oh, that will be a pain in the ass. But not for now. I am not... I'm not dealing with those guys who have their fancy monitors. Fancy 4Ks, 8Ks, 16Ks, my ass. For now, what I'm concerned about is... Jesus Christ. Those notes took off like hell. Alright, let's just correct a couple of values and we should be fine, right? So, where's the scroll? Alright, first, I think they were going upwards, so let's give it a minus 0.05 F. And see if they're going where I think they're going. This should be a very slow movement, right? Are they even moving? Oh, I guess last time I didn't see it because... Oh. What? What? This is breaking my brain. It's supposed to be local. Game object that transform that set pause dot. What do you mean normalized? Vector with a magnitude of 1, I mean, I guess. Blah. I have no idea how this works. What concerns me is the fact that this does not work as I expected it to. Alright, try this again. arrows just moving wherever they please? Here they are. Where is the velocity? So give them the velocity of like 100, since they are 100 units in size, aren't they? Minus 100. Let's see it. Nope. Absolutely zero signs of giving a shit. How do you call that? We call that a fucking failure. I mean, I'm scared to apply force to them. I'm trying to set the velocity like directly, because applying a force means some simulation shit and I disable all of it. Yep. That's failure. Failure. Right. Back to business. Ah, right. Back to business. What do you even do here? I mean, learn Unity in real time. Yay. Change to minus 50 though. Can I set something from here? No? What's in here? Static layer scene. Set active tag to string. Transform. Local position equals to. I am doing everything wrong. What the fuck did I just do? I'm changing the completely wrong value, and you are not telling me about it. So, get component. Rigid body 2D. Is that because my rigid body is not set to be something? Because for now, all of them have their rigid bodies set to static. They need to be kinematic? Like, it's kinematic and interpolate. Oof. I mean, what do I have to lose? If they start simulating, then whatever. Just do whatever you fuck you want. Because I don't know which one of them is simulated. The kinematic one or the dynamic one. Excuse me. You need to be given at least some shit. Oh, wait, what? Oh, and they're moving at quite a constant speed. Aha. So if I now change the scroll speed to minus 200, will it work like that? Let's see, I guess. Also, for whatever reason they're going out there, that is concerning me. Guess I need to use this rect transform thing instead of a transform. Meh. Whatever. I mean, it seems to be faster, but I might be wrong. Let's change it to 600, and then we'll see for real. Whee! Yep, that seems to be the right thing. Woo! We just conquered movement in one direction. Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo! Now, why the fuck are they going all the way over there? This does not make a sense for me. They have this position anchor thing. Is that not how they operate? Or do I need this rectangular transform thing? Is a 2D layout counterpart of a transform component. While a transform represents a single point, a rectangular transform represents a rectangle that a UI element can be placed inside. If the parent of a rectangle transform is also a rectangular transform, the child rectangular transform can also specify how it should be positioned and sized relative to the parent rectangle. So I'm guessing instead of doing the object dot transform I'm doing over there, instead I need to do it so like a rectangular transform? No? Or get component rectangular transform. Any class can help methods work. Oh, that's helpful. Get component rectangular transform. Dot. Right. It should be just called pause, right? Position. Or local position. Relative to the parent transform. There we go. Local position equals pause. Woo! And then that means we don't need the rotation even. Is that how it works? Let's see. I guess. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh! Oh! Oh, whoa, whoa. Did this just work? Can we see that again? That seems like it almost worked. Boom, 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 bap boop, 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 bap boop. Also, why don't they show up on the camera? That's kind of sus. These do. These don't. What? So they seem to be in the incorrect place. I mean, which way the player even works from? I'm not aware. Oh, this is the start of the coordinates, huh? Oh, fuck. Wait, is it because I have an order layer of 1? Set it to 0. Will it, like, work properly? Because that concerned me. Like, they are intersecting the thing, right? Yeah, there they're going. Like, they were somewhere near the canvas, no? What? This is weird. Let's see this again. Yeah, there they are. Moving all weirdly. They have some kind of offset too. What? I do not consider this as something that makes sense. Whew. Yeah, this is the coordinate system they're referring to. Whew. Should I parent them to? Driven by a sing. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum, pow. Do-da-do-da. Da, 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 da. Now, how the fuck do I make them appear on my screen? And why are they offset? Weird. Let's check the code. Maybe I done something wrong in there. So, the y coordinate is obviously high. The x coordinate seems quite a bit off. Do da do da 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 da. We'll make it -100. Just at a +100. Control C. Control V. How the hell did this spawn with a space? Alright, let's see if this helps. Oh wait, they weren't reaching. So then it's minus 100. Minus. There we go. Alright. Let's see it fail. Do you think I should put like some kind of lo-fi hip-hop radio garbage? Hmm. Ooh. Now they seem pretty close. Let's see if they show up on game screen. No, they do not. For absolutely no reason. They are the same thing as these ones. Is it because they're using sprite renders instead of image that actually follows the canvas? Fuck. I am supposed to use image. Ah. This is unfortunate. This is highly unfortunate. I am sorry for anybody who knew it all along. Actually, I am not sorry for you because you did not tell me. Once again. Sprite mesh preserved picked. Set native size. Oh no, do not set the native size. Holy shit. Scale. Are you rolling? Oi. Scale of 200. This seems right. Wait, is that why there was an offset? Oh, would you look at that? And they are still fucking off. Image type, simple. Yeah, for these. Literally fucking the same. That mean? Make them like 250? What's up with the scaling? And wow, it seems to work now. Almost, kinda. Oh wait, they're smaller because they are the sprites for the pressed buttons. Gotcha. I mean, I would call it a success. Now we just need to take them to what? Wait, how did I change the size here? No fucking clue. Don't care. Node 1, node 2. What I'm guessing is I'll change this back to ones. Oh, it's the width and height that are 200. Right, and now I just gotta slice up that sprite sheet because I didn't slice it completely. Oof, I was using it only for the UI part. Alright, where you are. Where are you? Sprites. UI note. Sprite editor. So this piece of garbage doesn't recognize the notes properly, and this pisses me off. And on, and off, and on. Okay, so I'm guessing these are the notes that we're supposed to click. So those are the UIs. I'm guessing we'll call them moving notes. Wait, that's not how you do things. This is how you start doing things. Because note number 1 shall be this one. We call it Mo Scroller 1. Scroller 1. And we make it pixel perfect. Boom. Oh wait, said boom too early. Fuck. Alright, now it's boom. No, it is not. What's wrong with you, sprite editor? Right, now it's a boom. Scroller 1. Now we need scroller 2, which is the... Oh wait, you can't see the window. Why is that? I'm thinking. Sounds like I care too much. I mean, whatever. Let's see. So scroller 1, scroller 2 should be, oops, the down. Yeah. Yeah, it's left, down, up, right. So the down note, come here, sweetheart. Scroller 2. And now we just fine tune it. Yay. What a lot of action. Ba-da-da-dum, bam, bam, ba-da-da-dum, bam, bam, da-da-da-dum. Right, scroller number 2, and this one, the scroller number 3. Actually, I have no idea if those are the notes I'm supposed to use, but we'll see about that. Scroller 3, Pixel perfect. Pixel perfect. I said pixel perfect. Pixel perfect. And in the end, pixel perfect. There we go. Oof. Now I just do the scroller number 4 and I will take a smoking break. And by that I don't mean weed, I mean just normal tobacco. Yes, I'm a smoker. Scroller 4. That is, if you can't tell it by my horrendous voice. I mean, it doesn't sound too smoked out, but let's be honest, it's not a lolly voice. By any means. And I just sliced that shit. Apply me, please. Alrighty. That was cringe. I'm so sorry. So sorry for your loss of hearing and self-esteem. Actually, no, it's my self-esteem. Fuck. I'm so confused right now. I will just exchange the sprites for the correct ones. Yay. So this is scroller number 1. Yeah, I was right. Their size is different because they're UI sprites. Oof. This one is the up and this one is the right. Boom. And now their positions should be somewhat accurate. And they're off. Fuck me in the ass. Oh wait, is it because I changed the... yeah, that's probably because I changed the positions in the code to... Let me just get rid of that real quick. Just a tiny bit. This. Because the positions are right, they're literally just copied. Anyway. Boom. Let's see it work or not. In terms of charts, I'm guessing I'll spend the next stream, or maybe off stream. I literally have no idea who the fuck watches these streams, but in any case, no matter the psychopaths that watch the stream, I will be making the chart converter next. And they're off. How the hell are they off by so much? This is pissing me off. Yes, off. 0.5 pivot. God damn it. What's wrong with that? To the change of your rabies. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. No idea. Is it this 20 offset? No. It was obviously better when it was more. So minus 220? I'm guessing. I mean, let's try it. But I really wanted to do the, the actual copying of the objects. Yeah, that's too much. I mean, minus 100 was actually pretty nice. Maybe it should be like minus 120? So like the last note would be at position 0. But no, there is this margin of 20. It is there for a reason. Apparently not. Apparently not. Okay. Are they really lined up? This seems not right. Oh, this seems not right. Oh, this seems so much not right. And they are on the fucking different side of the screen. Fuck. Do I have to change their alignment now? Is that how it works? Nope. It literally does not work. In any way, shape, or form. Hmm. 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 Ooh, this is hard. Hmm. Do I have to do the thing where I copy negative values? Like a 720, 520, 320. Just like that. And this will be like all a plus. Hey? Is that what we're doing now? I am so confused. It's literally just confusing the two sides. But like, the parent transform is the player's one. Like, it should work. It's literally copying the positions of these arrows. What's wrong with it? I do not understand. Yep. Look at them. Look at them being all nice and funny, covered in cum. I need to change them around now. Because this is now for the 4, this is for the 3, this is for the 2, and this is for the 1. Is that what it's supposed to do? Hello, script assemblies. Oh. Alright, let's see you. Ah, look at that garbage. This garbage moves. Now all we need is just a big collider on the bottom to catch them and delete them from the scene. And score us a miss. Because that's also what happens when they go off screen. Oof, 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 oof. I mean, I'm thinking I should end it all here. Because I've achieved something. I have achieved the wonders of two-dimensional vector movement through the coordinate space. Or something like that. And I've also achieved... Ah, wait, no. I made dimensional before the stream. Fuck, that doesn't count. So, all I did in these 2 hours... All I did in 2 hours is made arrows fall. I made 4 sprites move downwards. Fucking amazing. I am so poggers. I am so great. I am such an amazing person. Huh. I guess. Thank you. Cenobite offsec. Whatever that's supposed to mean. Wait, offsec. Is that supposed to be offensive security? Because I have done not internet, I've done IT security for like a while. Usually just researching malware, like reverse engineering shit, you know? Huh. I mean, it says byte, it says offsec. Maybe offensive security. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for being here. Yep. Oh, shit.